Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 1997 vintage Hot Wheels. We have this metal-on-metal pickup truck, the Commando. Collector number 601. This has tandem machine guns, or I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is the first edition of the Commando, but it is not a first edition, as you can see, because this was actually released with machine guns coming out of the back in like the 80s or so. But this is the first version of this casting without them, and they just released it under a new name and a new casting. So this is not supposed to be here, so that's kind of false advertising. But I really like this one. I picked it up because it's an old pickup truck, metal on metal. Card's not mint, so I can open it up. Collector number 601. This is going to be really cool to add to the collection. And kind of a tough rip there. See if we can get this cooperate. And there we go. That's an alright open. Yeah. Alright, collector number 601 Commando. Let's see how these wheels spin. So it looks like they're a little... Are these bent? Ooh, looks a little bent. I'll have to bend them back. Pretty interesting. And this is definitely feeling really interesting. All metal casting. 1986 we can see on the base, made in China. All metal. I'm really liking that. 1986. Even though this is the first edition from 1997, it shares the base with an older casting. And I really like the chrome on the front there. And a black interior covered in the top. Metallic red with construction tires with spokes, so CTS wheels. You can see inside there too. And a nice diamond kind of design, gold and black. These wheels are a little bit funky, like really. Doesn't even roll straight out of the package, but that's all right. This is for display. This would probably be pretty cool to play with, but I don't know. Wheels aren't the best on this thing. Feels really heavy though. Really love this old lifted pickup truck by Hot Wheels. Super cool. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Just opened up a 1997 Hot Wheels, and look at that. That doesn't even reach. That is so crazy. Look at the inside. That is so messed up. Look at that. What? Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to see more, just click subscribe. It's only one click. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.